Alright, it's Kai, and I got some new parts, and here's my bike check. I have the Odyssey par ends, the Colt Vans grips, S&M slam bars, a Hoffman front load stem. I have a Cane Creek headset sealed, spins fine, stock, Inman 3 forks. And then down here at the front wheel, I have a Pitch Raw tire, 2.25. I have a nitrous ring rim and a Joytech unsealed front hub. It spins terrible. And then down here I have the Eastern Night Tramp 2011 frame and Premium Slim PC pedals sealed and Colt OS cranks and a Eastern 4C sprocket 25-2 and sealed animal bearings bottom bracket. Up here I have the Animal Stitch pedal on top of a Poverty seat post, and then last I have a Chunky FAF 2.25 on top of a Eastern bidirectional complete rear wheel, and that's my bike check.